This vast universe contains a lot of supernatural strength. It has created all kinds of life, left countless mysteries, and vouchsafed all the strength for human survival. The Earth is a planet in the solar system. The Sun releases not only heat and light, but also magnetic waves. With sunshine for more than 4 billion years, the Earth has become a magnetic field, which releases terrestrial magnetic waves. Both solar and terrestrial magnetic waves are natural. They surround nature and our living space, maintaining our health and promoting the well-being of the world. If the Earth is not protected by magnetic waves, all things on Earth, including water and air, cannot remain on the surface of the Earth. All organisms will die. Therefore, the magnetic field and wave are vital to human beings. Some studies show that the terrestrial magnetic wave released by the Earth is about 6 million meters long, which is the longest wave in the universe, called the ultra-long wave. Clinical medicine has proven that this ultra-long wave has unexpected effects on healthcare and improves illness. After more than 20 years of research, Dr. Tsuchiyama Soichi invented an ultra-long wave therapeutic device which releases a wave similar to the natural magnetic wave, and which has been further enhanced by Professor Ohuchi Wataru from the Medical College of Taiwan University. The amazing healthcare effects of the magnetic ultra-long wave is due to the Joule's heat and vibration waves generated by it, plus the excellent effects of magnetic field electricity of the ultra-long wave on cells. Before mentioning the healthcare effect of the magnetic ultra-long wave, let us perform an experiment. First, we press the switch, and the device starts emitting magnetic waves. This is a magnetic sensor. The light will shine when receiving the magnetic wave and go out when leaving the magnetic field and wave. Just like we cannot leave the magnetic field of Earth and still survive. We place the device in front of the chest. Everybody can see that the magnetic wave emitted by the ultra-long wave penetrates through organs, body fluid, muscle, and bone. When it penetrates through cells, it will generate a secondary current called Joule's heat. When the blood is warm, it flows and clots when cold. So aches will be eased when blood flows with the movement of qi and occur when qi is obstructed. Joule's heat may penetrate through the body and reach the diseased parts to facilitate the circulation of blood. After the blood is cleared, aches will ease. Since heat may help relax the muscles, reduce inflammation and relieve pain, so it is effective in the treatment of headaches, nerve pains, arthralgia, menstrual pains, backaches, and sciatica. Let's take a look at it again. Suppose this little bottle is our blood vessel. The ultralong wave generates more than 3,000 microvibrations per minute, which may agitate the blood cells and thus facilitate circulation of the whole body. Hence, it is effective in preventing and improving hypertension, stroke, arteriosclerosis, cardiovascular blockage, venous aneurysm, hemorrhoids, and aches due to poor circulation, and numbness of the hands and feet. As a result of environmental, water and air pollution, improper diet, smoking, alcoholism, abusive usage of pigments, preservatives and pesticides, as well as the radiative harm caused by electric appliances, computers, cell phones and X-ray, plus the effects of emotion, tension, stress and late nights, when body cells carry an atom, molecule or ion of one unpaired electron, it is called free radicals. Since its electron number is odd, it seizes the electron from others to achieve a stable state. But this damages the structure of the victim's molecule, which becomes a new free radical. Then, this new one will seize electrons from others. Thus, this irremediable chain reaction may damage the cell membrane and nucleus, causing the gradual malfunction of organs. Then various kinds of diseases, cancers and aging may occur. The total length of blood vessels in the body is about 100,000 kilometers, which is like circling the Earth 2.5 times. The big blood vessel is as thick as a finger, while a fine one is only 1,000th the thickness of a hair follicle. There are two kinds of substances in the blood. One is anion, which carries the negative charge, while the other is cation, which carries the positive charge. The time needed for blood to flow from the heart via the arteries and then back to the heart via the veins is only 23 seconds. The fast-flowing anions and cations in the blood will generate electric current, which then generates the magnetic field. The magnetic field electricity of the magnetic ultralong wave can penetrate through human cells and change the intracellular charge from weak to strong. Thus, it facilitates the activation and regeneration of cells. And by the effect of the external magnetic field, it enhances the magnetic effect of electric current generated by the cations and anions in the blood and facilitates blood circulation. Hence, it may eliminate free radicals, overcome fatigue, supply vitality, relax the nerves, improve sleep, enhance strength, and strengthen organs, and thus paving the way for antioxidation, anti-aging, and anti-cancer purposes. This is a light stick. It has a line of positive and negative electrical coil respectively. They represent the positive and negative electrons in our cells. There is a bulb above, and the magnetic field electric effect of the magnetic ultralong wave may light up the bulb when it is unplugged or without batteries. Now we place a board, a piece of glass, and a book on top of the ultralong wave. Everyone can see that the magnetic wave emitted by the ultralong wave may penetrate through these insulators, and of course our muscles, body fluid and organs. Then every cell is full of magnetic field electricity, which may facilitate the regeneration and activation of cells. Therefore, it is effective in the treatment of dermatosis, muscle necrosis, sprains, chronic internal injury, healing of post-operative incisions and trauma, or various kinds of gastric disease, liver disease, renal disease, osteohyperplasia, osteoporosis, degenerative arthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis, and SLE caused by acquired immunodeficiency. The magnetic ultralong wave may normalize the hormonal effect and balance the pH value of body fluids. Therefore, it improves diabetes significantly.